Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to add Paramount Plus to your Sony TV so you can stream all your favorite movies, shows, and Paramount originals directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Sony TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Sony remote to access the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Google Play Store if you have an Android TV or the Sony Select app for other Sony Smart TVs. This is where you can browse and download apps. Step 4. Use the search function and type Paramount Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the official Paramount Plus app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 6. Click on Install to download Paramount Plus to your Sony TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once installed, return to your TV home screen. You will see the Paramount Plus icon among your apps. Step 8. Open the Paramount Plus app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Paramount Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 9. For easier access in the future, move the Paramount Plus app to a convenient location on your home screen so you can access it quickly. That's it. Paramount Plus is now installed on your Sony TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.